Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Instagram video upload failed. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, which will ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If that doesn't work, make sure that VPN is turned off and also airplane mode can be toggled on and off for that quick little refresh. The other thing you want to do is head straight into your settings, scroll all the way down to General, and then scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and Reset Network Settings. This should go ahead and fix your problem. If it still doesn't, open your App Store, click on the search bar, and then simply go ahead and search for Instagram right over here. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the application. If there is any updates available, there's going to be a little blue update button. Click on that and ensure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.